Hi everyone, today we're making an easy, delicious flan. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar into a small saucepan. On medium heat, allow the sugar to melt completely. When the sugar starts to melt, keep it moving so that it doesn't burn. Once melted, allow the sugar to brown, moving constantly until it turns amber in color, then pour into a 9-inch round cake pan. Then set aside. In a medium bowl, blend 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then add 4 eggs. We added ours one at a time, but you can add them all at once. Once the mixture is well combined, mix in a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, strain the mixture into another bowl. Now add your cake pan into a large roasting pan and fill the cake pan with the custard mixture. Add boiling water to the roasting pan for your water bath. Make sure you fill at least halfway up the sides of your cake pan. Carefully place into your oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Once your flan is baked, remove from oven. You know your flan is done when there is a slight jiggle in the center. Remove from the water bath and allow it to cool to room temperature. Once your flan has cooled, run a knife along the edges, then place a platter with a lip over the cake pan. Carefully but quickly flip over. Now slowly remove the cake pan. Now you are ready to slice, serve, and enjoy this delicious, creamy, melt-in-your-mouth flan. We hope that you liked this video and consider subscribing. We'll see you next time.